Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm SKRS, and if you're into tech, content creation, or just want stuff that makes your life easier, hit subscribe now because today I'm showing you 5 AI tools in 2025 that are changing the game, plus a secret bonus that most people don't know yet. Let's jump in. First up, Google Veo 3. This is a text-to-video model where you simply write a description and it builds a video, including audio, effects, visuals. Imagine typing a prompt like rainy city street at dusk, neon lights, slow motion, and getting back a cinematic clip you didn't film yourself. What I like, you don't need cameras or fancy editing software. You can make content fast for teasers, social posts, intros. Perfect for creators who want high visual quality without big setup. Next, Canva AI's create a video clip powered by Veo 3. Canva already has tons of templates, graphics, avatars, etc. So this lets you plug in your idea and get a polished video super fast. You can pick avatars, add sound effects, choose from motions, all via simple UI. If you're doing content marketing, short ads, even presentation promos, this is golden. Plus, if you already like Canva, the learning curve is small. Now them's for the people who want cinematic looks. Adobe Firefly's text to video. Want to generate cinematic B-roll, sweeping landscapes, special effects, or animate a scene from a single image? Firefly can help. Especially useful if you want brand-safe visuals, since Adobe tends to ensure licensing, quality, etc. If you're aiming for really strong visual polish, this is one of the top tools in 2025. Number 4, Pictory. This one's awesome if you already have content, blog posts, scripts, long-form text, and want to turn them into video without starting from zero. Pictory can handle the heavy lifting, pulling together visuals, adding voiceovers, sometimes AI voice, putting in subtitles. For example, if you write blog content or have written scripts, you can repurpose that, make YouTube videos or social content much faster. Great for scaling production. Last of the main 5, Manus. This is more advanced. It's an autonomous AI agent. Think of something that can plan, decide next steps, and do tasks with minimal supervision. Not just creation, but execution. For content creators, this might mean automation of repetitive workflows, content scheduling, even generating rough drafts or assets and moving things forward without you having to manually intervene for every little thing. Big potential for saving time. As promised, the bonus is on-device Sora. The idea, high-quality video generation from text prompts but made to run efficiently on your phone tablet. No need for giant GPU rigs. If you want to create on the go, make things spontaneously, travel content, etc., this is the one to watch. It lowers the barrier even further. So quick comparison. Want speed plus ease, Canva plus Pictory. Want highest visuals and polish, Veo 3 plus Firefly. Want automation plus less hands-on work, Manus plus on-device Sora. Also budget matters. Some of these have free tiers, others require subscription or credits. I'll drop in the description what costs are like and links. Now let's watch small demo for more understanding about these amazing tools.
Alright, let's jump right in. Today I'm giving you a lightning-fast demo of some of the hottest AI video tools out right now. First up, Google Veo 3. I just type in a prompt, a futuristic city at sunset, hit generate, bam. Veo spits out a super clean, detailed video in seconds. The textures? Pretty wild. Next, Canva AI, all about speed. Toss in a quick idea, it spits back a surprisingly polished clip. Rapid prototyping? Canva's your friend. Now, Adobe Firefly text to video, creative territory. I feed it a story, Firefly turns it into an animated sequence. Smooth transitions, nailed mood, switching gears, ictory, focused on realism. I uploaded a selfie, picked a scene, suddenly I'm starring in a mini-movie, face mapping, scary good. Then, Manus, perfect for motion capture, put on the gloves, do a quick wave, Manus records the moves in real time. Awesome for animators. And finally, Sora, the Swiss Army knife of video AI. Blend clips, tweak styles, remix footage, all in one place. Super intuitive, pro results. So, 6 tools, 6 ways to make video magic with AI. Which one would you try first? Drop your pick in the comments.
Alright, those are 5 powerful AI tools plus a bonus that can help you make content faster, look better, or automate more in 2025. Tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? Or if you already use any of these, what gotchas should people know? I read all comments. If this was helpful, smash that like button, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I've got one coming next where I break down prompt engineering hacks that will level up whatever tool you pick. Thanks for watching and see you next time.